1.64. One more time. Shooters ready. Stand by. .70. All right. We're going to take 2 more steps forward. Right, Chip? You're going to have 2 rounds in 1.5 seconds from the guard. 2 rounds center mass, 1.5 seconds from the guard. Quick flash sight picture and hammer. 2 rounds center mass from the guard, 1.5 seconds. Shooters ready. Stand by. All shots in time. Do it again. Remember, ammo management's on you. Double check if you need to. Shooters ready. Stand by. And one more time. Shooters ready. Stand. Oh, hold on. Shooters. Yeah, I was just waiting for you. Shooters ready. Stand by. All shots in time. So go ahead and make the weapon the condition you want it to be in at this time. This concludes your course of fire. So if you want to go ahead and put it in your cruiser carry configuration, which means empty chamber, hammer depressed, you're going to be able to put it on safe, dust cover closed, pull them out of the side. Well, actually mine is 2.